Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the tools that let you change restrictions. First, open Settings and enable Developer Options. Tap build number 7 times. Once visible, turn on USB debugging and accept the computer prompt when you connect. This gives you command access. Make a quick backup to cloud or local storage so you can recover if something goes wrong. Now, connect the device to a trusted PC with a cable and keep the phone unlocked. Then we move to the actionable fix. With USB debugging active, install or open ADB on your PC and run a DB devices to confirm connection. You will use a DB shell commands to change restrictions. A DB shell PM revoke or grant adjusts app permissions, while a DB shell settings modifies system flags. First, find the package name with a DB shell PM list packages or by checking settings apps. Then target that package. These commands work because ADB speaks directly to Android's package manager and settings provider, bypassing UI limits. Once commands complete, reboot the phone so system services reload your changes. After restart, open the affected app or feature and test. If it works, restore any security settings you turned off earlier. Make sure permissions you granted match minimum needs, not blanket access. If the problem persists, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party interference. If safe mode fixes it, remove recent apps. As a last resort, perform a targeted factory reset only after backing up, because that clears persistent restrictions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.